All right, our time 11:32 now, and let's get you to New York. That is where Luigi Mangione is back in federal court today. This comes as his attorneys are fighting to exclude key evidence to try to keep the death penalty off the table. So joining us now, we have Fox's Kaylee Schuyler. She is outside of a courthouse in New York with the very latest on what's happening today. So Kaylee, good morning to you.
Hi, good morning, Elise. So really, as the status conference started in the courthouse back here within the last 30 minutes, Mangione supporters started to cheer and chant here outside of the courthouse. Now, the status conference, not much has happened just yet. Mangione walked in wearing a beige prison jumpsuit, and they say right now he's just sitting back, looking pretty relaxed and just listening to what's unfolding right now. And the major goal today for the Mangione's defense is to get two of his counts thrown out, one of those being murder through the use of a firearm. That one would make him eligible for the death penalty, and Mangione's defense wants to get that thrown out. They also want another firearm offense dismissed, and the defense is arguing Attorney General Pam Bondi has a conflict of interest because of her previous work for a lobbying firm that represents United Healthcare's parent group. Mangione lawyers say that those ties should disqualify Bondi from making decisions about the death penalty, but the prosecution says there is no conflict of interest. And Mangione's team is also asking the judge for an evidentiary hearing to toss out some of the key evidence prosecutors want to use against him, including the suspected murder weapon and a notebook police found inside Mangione's backpack when they arrested him in the Altoona, Pennsylvania McDonald's. The defense says police searched the backpack without a warrant, and originally a trial date was supposed to be set today, but the judge said at the very top of the status conference that it wouldn't make a lot of sense. She wants to hear the defense and the prosecution's arguments on why or why not those two counts should or should not be thrown out, and they'll set that trial date on a later day. Back to you.
Yeah, so a lot at play here. I mean, we're talking about the death penalty potentially being taken off the table if his attorneys have his way. So we certainly appreciate you on top of this for us today. Fox's Kaylee Schuyler. Kaylee, thank you so much for